Good morning, everybody. And what is today? Wednesday, November 16th. And I still got this sinus stuff going on. I'm sorry. Let me do a quick sound check, everybody. See, because we want to make sure we can hear today. Hear today, hear tomorrow, hear every day. Hold on. Here we go. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Here today, here tomorrow. Yes, we can hear. Okay. And I'll be doing another sound check because we're going to watch a brief video. Anyway, so what's going on? Well, we're holding up 28 days of inventory. Life is steady. Sales are coming in. Listings are going up. Homes 400,000 and under. We have 755 of those. And 33 were just listed yesterday. So we're rocking along, everybody. $1 million homes, still 4 a day. Non-owner occupied, still 45 a day. This month, we're averaging 138 homes, which is awesome. Per day, we're selling. And we're beating last year, hands down, by 16%. I think what we're going to see this year, everybody, is hey, good morning, Karen. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining me. I think that the year is going to play out this way. I don't see why it would change when we have so many people moving here, when we have so many jobs that are coming online. And we talk about the $22 billion worth of projects that are online. Some are in process, some are coming online. But our future, to me, looks pretty good. Again, just the water. But I'm as soon as the water district reports, will alert the nation, because I think they've got it figured out. I don't know. I really don't know how, but I believe.